Commercials were way too long, right, people?
Yeah!
I've got way too many more songs to play. Can someone please barricade the door because we got 5 minutes left to go to 101?
Yeah.
5 minutes. Come on, Q101. Rip it.
I'm not done yet. All right, you know what? I was up till 3 a.m. last night trying to decide what kind of music I'm going to be playing, and there's no way I could play all of the cool local bands that I wanted to play, so I decided I was going to play my favorite. But before I do that, man, my partner in crime, Local 101 producer, Jaime Black, who's been with me from day one at Q101. Q101.
Can't believe Q101.
He is the guy that works behind the scenes that
after this they're gone. 5 more minutes and there's no more Chicago's Alternative FM Q101.1 WKQX.
Local 101.
I should work there. I know enough.
Not the people what they're hearing are hearing an edited.
It's going to be online though. www.q101.com. Stream it. It's awesome.
Black, please tell everyone how they can get a copy of all of the Local 101 interviews that are.
Even my father likes Q101.
With all the F-bombs and like retakes and like all the screw-ups. That's right.
The website is chicagoverseunited.com. It's spelled like universe, but Chicagoverse United, all one word. Chicagoverseunited.com. Daily Chicago music content every day.
And this cat is straight edge too, by the way. Love it. All right. So right now, bro, I don't want to know what Chris Payne's favorite song is. I want to know what one of Jaime Black's favorite song is.
This
We're
is
gonna play it right now, bro.
One of my favorite songs from our entire time at Local 101. Band is called Spitalfield. The record is called Remember Right Now. Fantastic band. The song is called 5 Days and Counting. I love this song.
I love these guys, man. They were one of those magnets that like fell off the refrigerator.
Oh man, but so good.
All right, Spitalfield, you're listening to Q101's Local 101. Love